What's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of the Musicality course series. Today we're filming video number 3, so we're gonna get a little bit more specific and more serious, alright? I would advise you to take a pen and a pad and write this down because today we're talking terminology. If you hang around dance studios, taking classes and stuff like that, you might have heard the terms that I'm gonna talk about, but you might have no idea what's the actual meaning behind it. Terms such as rhythm, beat, tempo, and words of this sort that people always talk about them and mention them, but they never make it clear what it actually is. Maybe them as well, they don't even know what it is because they're so interconnected, but we are gonna clear them out. During the whole video, I'm gonna try to explain these terms as easy and quick as possible. So get your pens ready and let's get writing. The beat, otherwise known as the count. The beat is simple, it's just the measurement unit of the rhythm. It's the measurement unit of the song. It's steady, emotionless, and it's just going boom, 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 boom. The beat, okay? The tempo. The tempo, it's the beats per minute. So how many beats can fit in a minute? And this gives us a number, and this number shows us the speed of the song. Okay? 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 Plain and simple. Next up, we got the accent. For those that don't know, the accent is where you put more force on a sound. Is where you put a stronger sound in a song. So each accent, each stronger beat, you can say that is accentuated. That's why we have the upbeat and the downbeat. The downbeat is where it goes boom, and the upbeat is the next one. But if we have many different accents in specific order, so you can say an organized sequence of accents make the meter. Now, the meter is not commonly used in dance. It's mostly for musicians, I think, but it's good to know. The rhythm. So the rhythm, to make it simple for you guys, it's all of this. The rhythm is all of this. Is the beat, the tempo, the accents, and the meter. Is everything together. So the rhythm now, as opposed to the beat, is not emotionless. Someone could say that the beat can be written on a paper with dots. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. The rhythm now is something that you cannot just put dots on it to illustrate it. You need to draw it. So this boom, 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 if I draw it as a rhythm, it can be like boom, tss, tss, boom, boom, tss, tss, boom. This is rhythm. This changes something. This is beat, boom, 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 boom. And this is rhythm. Boom, tss, tss, boom. Boom, tss, tss, boom. Boom, tss, tss, boom. Okay? The rhythm is all of the previously mentioned terms together, and the rhythm creates a groove. Because the rhythm is not emotionless, so it's emotion-full, that feeling you feel when you listen to a song that the rhythm creates in you is called the groove. The groove lies between the lines of the notes and everything. The groove is what makes you move. The beat doesn't have a groove. The rhythm has a groove. Before we finish with the final two, please leave a like, comment down below, share with your friends, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because it really helps me, the channel, and you to reach the next level in dancing. Thank you so much. Let's go. Syncopation. What is syncopation and where do we usually find syncopation? Syncopation is mostly found in funk. Funk music is full of syncopation. What it is, in simple words, you know the beat that goes boom, tack, boom, tack, boom, tack. Okay? The syncopation, instead of putting the accent on the strong notes like boom, tack, boom, tack, boom, tack, you put the accent in between. You put it in the hidden notes, you put it in the weaker notes, you put it somewhere else that it's supposed to be. So instead of being boom, tack, you're gonna go boom, boom, tack, boom, tack, boom, boom, tack. Okay? This is just plain and simple syncopation. Syncopation is putting the accent not on the main beat. Last term for the day, polyrhythm. What is polyrhythm? The word says it on its own. Poly comes from Greek, it means many, and rhythm, I think also comes from Greek, but it means many rhythms. Now, it doesn't really follow the term of rhythm as we said it before. So you can say that it could be like poly beat, maybe. Poly accents. But polyrhythm is easier. So polyrhythm, what it is, you have one rhythm, one rhythmic pattern that goes boom, 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 boom. And you have another one that goes da 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 da. You put them together, it goes boom ta ta 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 boom. So there you are. 8 terms that everyone is mentioning, but never really taking the time to explain them easy, simply, and efficiently. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something new today, and I really hope you wrote this down because I'm sure you're gonna forget it. So take the time, go back, rewatch the video, stop it on the right moment, write them down, and trust me, when you have a clear image of what all these things are, it's gonna help you understand them first, and then point them out in every song you're listening to. Thus, it will make your musicality, your ear, more capable to dance on any kind of song, from known to unknown, and kill it every time. Yeah, thank you so much everyone. See you in the next one.